up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to this channel, I'm Lambro Steve, and today I'm sitting on, I just slid the door open of the Mercedes Sprinter van that's going to be my ride to the airport today, because today I'm flying to Vegas to go pick up my Lambo. It's been there since Course America Rally. Left it there on November the 6th. It's in a super secret warehouse. So I'm going to hop on a flight. It takes off in about 2 hours. So I'm going to the airport in my limo van all by myself. I'm just waiting on the driver to get here, okay? And I'm going to hop on a flight, go to Vegas, and then we're going to do road trip. We're going to bring it back to Tulsa. So stick around. I will get some video once I get to the airport. And obviously when I get to Vegas, we'll have some video. So we'll be back. See ya later. Okay, Lambros, we made it on the plane. We're in T-Town. Exit room, leg room, and 2 hours we'll be in Vegas. We'll be back. Okay, Lambros, I made it into the Uber, and we are almost to the secret hiding place of where my Lamborghini's been for about the last, I think it's right here, about the last month. It's been sitting in the same spot. I've been watching it on GPS, but we're about to go get it, and when I get there, I'll throw the camera on and I'll reveal where it's been hiding. We'll be back. Okay, here it is, guys. Ooh, it's blurry. There it is over there all by itself. Let me put the light on. Ooh, oh, there we go. It's in here. I don't even know where the light switch is. Oh, I gotta open this garage door. I'll open the garage door and put some light in here, and then I let the Uber driver come in here and check it out. Gonna unlock that. And unlock that. I'll lift this up and we'll be back. All right, we're here, the door's up, and now we'll have to get this 1 month cold start going. I'll set her up and see what it sounds like. I feel like the battery's dead. Okay, boys and girls, this is the first time this has happened with this car. The battery is dead. I hope it's not completely shot. That's probably why it wasn't showing up on GPS, but I'm gonna see what they have around the shop. Here is a EverStart. Yes! I'll be back. All right, boys and girls, we're back. I mean, I'm kind of freaking out there for a minute because I'm in the middle of nowhere. No one's here. It's just a friend's shop that is, as you can tell, is completely freaking empty. My car's been here since November the 6th. It's now December the 9th, and it was dead. And guess what was sitting up on the thing? Apparently that's maybe happened before. So there was a jump starter here. So to the guy that knows who I'm talking to, who will go unnamed, thank you for having that in here. So now I can get my car started. So I'm gonna put it on here and see if we can fire it up. All right. Okay, guys. This is a Chevy Malibu. Manuel, my Uber driver, is jumping the Lambo. We're jumping a Lambo with a Malibu. Now, you've seen this on the channel. We jumped a Lambo with the Lambo. but this is a new one. So we're gonna have to leave it like hooked up here for a minute and hope it cranks up, and then I'm gonna set the camera down and give it a try and see if the sucker starts up. It's all lit up in there now, so hope it does. Let's get the start up. Okay, boys and girls, I have called Lamborghini Roadside because apparently I don't know how to jump a car. So, and I think the jumper cables we have are like very weak and not transferring very much power, and we're jumping it with a Malibu. So I don't know what's gonna happen. It's already 4:30 Las Vegas time, and I called roadside assistance, so I don't know how long they're gonna be, but when and if they get here, I will start an entirely new vlog just on the shenanigans of getting it running. So thanks for watching. I'm in Vegas and I'm coming home. We'll see you in the next video. Later.